A lynx, the most northerly cat in the world. One was even recorded walking more than 3,000 kilometers in just 1 year, further than anyone thought possible. This cat relies almost entirely on just one kind of prey. And right now, there are very few around. Snowshoe hares. Spotting one is only half the challenge. Lynx need to eat every few days, so his search never ends. He's in luck. He has detected another scent. The hare holds its nerve and trusts its camouflage. The lynx can't outpace his prey over a long run, so he needs to get close. A meal, at last.